Hey guys, so it's time to talk about science. So we're going to get to page 47, and today we are going to learn about seeds. So you're going to look at a page that has the 4 up at the top. It says God's plan for seeds. It starts off by saying, isn't it wonderful that a little seed like this one can grow to be a mighty tree like this. Do you know what kind of seed this is right over here? What kind of seed is that? That's called an acorn. And an acorn grows into a big oak tree. Let's learn more about seeds. A corn seed will grow to be a corn plant. It could be anything else. It could never be anything else. This is God's plan for each seed. A tiny plant is inside each seed. Do you see the plant and this bean seed? So down here, in your book, try and see where the bean plant is. So each seed can only grow one type of plant. If I have a sunflower seed, what flower do you think it's going to grow? A sunflower. If I have a dandelion seed, what is it going to grow? A dandelion. The same happens if I have a pepper plant seed or a tomato seed. It's only going to grow that one type of plant. And most of them start out pretty the same. You have a seed. Now, you remember when we put the seed into the dirt and we said, bye little seed, and then we watched them start to grow. And I had those seeds I had put in the window. You remember those? And before anything started to grow out the top, what started to grow out the bottom? Roots. So the plant, as you can see in this picture, the seed first grows some roots. And after that, you start seeing something happen up above the soil. And out of the dirt, you have a little plant. That plant is called the seedling. Can you say seedling? Seedling. So it starts as a seed, the roots grow, and then out pops a plant, and that's called the seedling. After the seedling, it gets a little bigger, and a little bigger, and a little bigger, until it is a full plant. And it has the roots, the stem, it has fruit and leaves and flowers. Now, not every plant is going to make a flower, and not every fruit is going to make, not every plant's going to make a fruit. But if it's the right kind of plant, it'll grow tall and beautiful like this corn plant. So, let's keep reading about more types of seeds. Here are some seeds and fruit that we eat. The fruit hides these seeds. Can you touch the watermelon? What color are the seeds of this watermelon? They're black. Can you find one? I see a couple. Touch some of the seeds. Then you have another melon right here. You see all those rough looking little parts in the middle? Those are the seeds. Then you have plums and apples and kiwis and pears and apricots. All kinds of wonderful fruit. And they all have seeds in them. The seed is what grows the new plant. Now, most plants need a couple things to grow. Now, some plants are a little bit different, but normally you have to plant the seed in what? You first plant it in the soil or dirt. Sometimes people call it earth. And then, so once you put it in the dirt, what else do you need to add to it? You need to add some water. Because without the water, it's not going to know, hey, it's time to grow. And you don't need just dirt and water. You also need sunshine. Now, some plants like a lot of sunshine, and some plants like just a little. Each plant, just like you, is a little bit different than the other ones. Farmers plant many seeds. It is hard work. Here are some things that farmers grow. You have the wheat. Do you know what wheat is used to make? It's a grain, and they use it to make bread and some cereals and all kinds of different things. They use it to make flour. Do you know what these are? These green plants right here up at the top. You can look in your book too just to get an easier picture. Those are green peas. So, inside it you have all those little bitty peas. Now, this right here is a pepper plant. Do you see those? They come in several different colors like orange and yellow and red and green, and there's many types of peppers. Right here, you have a zucchini squash and a yellow squash. Ooh, do you know what this fuzzy green one is down here? That one's broccoli. I love broccoli. Then there's radishes. Do you know these orange ones? Carrots. And then down here is lettuce. There are so many different types of plants. Now, if you click it, look down underneath this video on the PowerPoint and you'll be able to see a bean plant grow. Now, the video actually takes time over almost a whole month. It's 25 days. But if you watch, they took it and they did something called a time lapse. That means they made it play really fast so that in a couple minutes you can see that bean go from nothing to a whole plant. It's really cool. You're going to like it.